contractor as start only workers off. And here one side of the story. Another side of the story is that contractor say staff from here permanent. Enti casual for no or munyina na yesi start link off. But I want me permanent no. Almost so yes omun kofie. No munya adwuma mfiri fie eye de na asi. Eba ne sen eye de na asi. Nti yebedi san komo no ne. Ai yebedi san komo no na no pay. Na mame nka we say so say report amanya from Akoma so Domeabra. Listen. And it's Nansen Mrantie bi asori a wo mo gege wo mo tata adwadifo wo mo sori anopako ekodidwa. And in fact report eba no de mi kita wa ha no pe kra che say as I mean anopa 5:30 a ye da nyankopon ase wa ha na ye da na sesa ade a kyen a ye ne adwadifo wo mo tetrotro mu ne wo mo a wo ma sori mo kɔ adwuma so ye da nyame ase no. Sabre no mu ana mrantie a wo mu edin sika ahyehye wo mo ho mrantie a yesi binim yisu pragia ibi ebinim yisu moto omo de gige nkrofo niema enti me checks etre se your police station or Domeabra ho enti Domeabra from Morgan Junction, mo amunim that area no. Ekwa de kosi future leaders. Ekwa ya da Domeabra ahemfie na chi. Eho. Sa kwan no so there's a road that lead to mo amunim ho no Pentecost area ho. Eho ba ye sports and nkrofo agige man for phones. And musika. And the rate, you see, Sebaka, Eba Kodia Castle, oh, and the Eba Kuntino, Eba Sempening for so Monsha BCB. But the rate, a dorsum. And Yabasre and permit checks, you see, police post and a police station, our Domeabra area. And whatever that is going on, Mesramo. Na no crowd yesi tuo nyina mrantie no omo twi tuo e that area. Enti it is an area you better say Ghana Police Service. Say the rate at which Crawford J manfo ajapade sika phones. Any ade bia obehu a wo ho a onim say papa and I make that area. My colleague Bako, KNUST. Na Oba free Eastern Region Hoba be now Oba in the lectures on weekends. Wabeda no papa was sorry about lectures. Onima onim dia ko. Ne bagi bonachi Pragia jina no oye ya Pragia no nyeso ofrumpo. Ojina mo on dey so onim say Pragia dey am omo ye omo no man. Ano papa ya o ma to ahye no so the phones and then the laptops no ma Jeffrey nsem. It is a case that was reported to me personally. And what she na these calls are start here and also so eba. Enti yebesre say I was saying for taking action. Because the rate at which nkomodie ne ba no ehu. So you draw the attention of the Ghana Police Service. Say the ekoso Domeabra no omomo mani nko ho. Time no na ya kire no from 5 eba be ka 6 nti anopa 6 kra no boys eguso ayo operation. Nti that is information we are giving out. Very important. Ghana Police Service. Esramo, you see on this platform you can but before ya mutie 200 more than my nti ye can be say mun take action na mun share say be ya dwadifo a ɔmo kɔba ɔmo sɔre a deɛ ɔmo ma bɛdie nti na ɔmo brɛ na ɔbɛsɔre anɔpa ne sɛ ne ho nneɛma nyinaa yɛagye a akyerɛ sɛ ɛha adwen me nua Samuel Kwame Adomako is on the line ɔyɛ cyber security expert Sami Martin
Sẹ́jọ́ méje oṣù.